Then how we can apply the slicers on our data. So for that, we have this chart in here, which has profit on the y-axis and date on the x-axis. Okay. Now, let's apply the slicer. So this is the slicer visual. So we can click on this, get a slicer. Then on the slicer, like on which category or on which point data do you want to slice our data. So let's take category. If we take category, so you can see there are 3 types of categories on which we can slice our data. If you want to see the profits for only the technology, so we can click on this, and this is the data for technology only. Then we have furniture. Then we have office supplies. So we can filter out our data on the basis of these categories. Similarly, we can see and take any other column here, subcategories. So it will give all the subcategories. If we want to take like state, so then it will provide all the states. So, and we can also add multiple slicers in our charts. So one we can take for state, and the other we can create for subcategories. Now for the setting of these slicers, right now it is giving like a vertical list for all the states. If we go to format the visual, we have slicer settings here. Expand it, we get the style. So here we have 3 options: vertical list, tiles. So tiles you can choose like this. Then we have a drop down, which is mostly used in these types of reports. So if you want to see the profit for Alabama, so use the drop down list.